Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the Chief Crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then guess what? Keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So in this first DIY, we are going to create a blessed winter tray that can be used any time of the year. And I am just going to use these wood planks that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Each pack, the horizontal and the square packs, come in a 6-pack. And then I'm using some quart-size paint sticks that I purchased from Home Depot. And I am just cutting off the excess, as the bottom part of the tray was actually the base that was used using the paint sticks. And again, I'm just using my box cutter to cut away the excess, and then you will briefly see me sand around the edges of this to give it a smooth finish. And now what you'll see me doing is preparing to paint this piece using the Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the color linen white. This paint can be found at Walmart. I think I paid like $24.96 for it. I have been using this all Christmas season, and now I am going to use the rest of it for the winter season. And as you can see, I am painting the inside, outside, and the whole entire piece in this white paint. Guys, I would like to just welcome everybody back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping in, hello, I am Joy, your Chief Crafter. And I would like for you to, if you like this content and choose to click on that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. And I also want to welcome back all of my new and returning subscribers. I pray everyone has had a blessed weekend, a blessed Christmas, and are ready for the new year. As you can see, I have added some rope handles to this piece, and I've also added the word blessed. This is that pre-cut words Dollar Tree that's in the faux leather. And moving right along to our DIY number 2, we are going to make a faith, hope, and love sign. And this will be another wintry piece. As you can see, I have just line these up in a horizontal pattern, and I am just adding the extra paint sticks to the back to give it some stability or make it a little sturdy. And then on the front side, I have just made it look like a fence. And so I am dry brushing and taking this calendar that has the word faith, hope, and love, and I am just cutting it out to fit this piece. I did use some of that Elmer's bond adhesive, and I affixed it to this piece. I wrapped the wording with jute rope, and this jute rope, or the jute twine, was that I found at Walmart. And now I'm taking 2 of those little plastic jars or containers or whatever you want to call it, and I've added some white sand in the base to resemble snow. I put some green picks, frosted green picks, on the inside of it, and now I'm adding my infamous jute twine bows to the front. And initially I was going to put one of those burlap flowers, but I didn't like it, so I decided to take that off and just add a bow. And then guys, this is the reveal. Did this not turn out cute? My initial thing was to paint the words white. I just got a call and got distracted, and so I just said, well, I'm gonna leave it for now. But I think nevertheless this turned out cute, especially with the snow overlay. It just gives you that foresty, wintry feel. I think this is very cute, and this is a piece that you can use after, you know, the winter holidays, and just use it for other storage needs. And then here's the sign. I did add that jute rope to the back of it, and I think this turned out to be a very cute little simple sign, faith, hope, and love, with these little glass little bottles. And these are found in the party section of the Dollar Tree. And guys, I just want to thank you for just rocking with your girl and stopping by. And I pray that you all have a safe New Year's, and until the next DIY. Bye guys.